So let me switch here, and I'll show you guys. This is the Droid. This is the Droid Iris. So it's a little different than your Moto Droid, but obviously same idea. Now, the couple things you'll notice that are a little different right away is there's an Android widget you can place on the desktop, and I'll come back to it. But when I launched the icon, which here looks just a little different, but it's the same kind of S Note. It's just a 3D version of that. Don't mind the developer code there. This is an unreleased app. Okay, so this is running our, so you'll see the station list looks very similar. Right? We have the search at the top. This one's running a free account, so you'll see there's a banner ad there for a second. But you see, it looks very similar. You know, the app is almost exactly the same. Yeah. Everything looks and kind of feels the same way. You have the search and things here. You have the cache stations. Again, everything works almost exactly how I just showed you on the BlackBerry, where we would go, let's see, if I go into alternative, it's going to do the same thing, right? Same tile, same. So very, very similar. So if you install on the Droid, you're going to get, it's going to look and feel just like this, like we showed you on the BlackBerry. Okay. And the nice thing there is that if I go back to my home screen now, let me launch a station. Let me go back. I'll just pick alternative again.
Does it automatically kick to the speakers?
If you have headphones in, it'll kick to the headphones, so it just kind of depends. This one, since it has nothing else plugged in, it'll go to the speakerphone. So here, if I'm listening to this app and I go back to my home screen, you'll see the widget leaves me, and I can still navigate, right? So whether I'm browsing around on my Android desktop somewhere, I can go in and say, oh, I'm listening to Vampire Weekend or whatever, I'm going to skip this song. I don't have to go back into the app to do it. I just leave the widget on my desktop. And then I can just go right back to the app. Okay, so that's Android.
Now, is that just for 2.0 or lower Android versions?
It works on 1.5, 1.6. I mean, it's going to work better as your OS gets better. But there's still a lot of phones shipping even with OS 1. Well, I think most have gone at least to 1.6, but it works on all the Android OSs as well. Okay, so that's a Droid, and